and I'm just gonna open this bag of magic that I got from Magic Heart Hawkman. I don't used to watch this
Crazy Magic Hawkman.
Magic Hawkman, and yeah. So I'll just open it right now. Oh, or maybe I can just maybe I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Okay, we've got a creep. Oh, a gremlin. Oh, that's cool. A bird, human, arch card. There are human, elf. I have no idea what that is.
Let's see. Oh. Might be a vampire or something.
Yep. Let's see. Another another human, a dwarf, another bird, insect, or maybe they're mechanical animals like an artifact and sorcery, dwarf.
Yeah, we're
And
actually.
nice. A land and a token.
Oh, no, making that facing.
Nice.
So what else you got for me too?
Oh, okay. I think I got most. I think I got like mostly, almost like all lands, like swamp lands, and I got a wizard, human, and a creature. I mean,
Creature token.
token, another land, a zombie bird warrior thing. It's like in Egypt, but like a wrap up zombie, and or there's thing like we call like a mommy zombie, or they're both kind of mostly the same. And a Chitman.
Cool.
Hi, YouTube fans.
That's Crazy Clay. He just got back from the bathroom. Right now we're just chillaxing over here at Meechan's. I'm having a drink, so I'm full of water. So there's Crazy Larry. And this video would be uploaded to my channel, and also Crazy Larry Lexington's channel. So right now I'm gonna ask Larry a few questions. So Larry, what do you think of the new Breath of the Wild game?
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, so far, what do you think of, like, when I say card shops, what do you think of, Larry? Besides cards.
Games, movies, the voice.
Etc.
Yep.
Nerd
The
stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, you forgot to say your name too. And he's from Angelic because there's a light coming from the window.
Yeah, so I actually bought this, so.
Yeah.
And I realized my glasses transcended, so I didn't realize it. So damn.
Yeah. There's Crazy Clay. Did you miss me, Clay?
Yeah, I missed you.
That's good. Shalom.
Well, E3's coming up to this.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Kind of exciting. See what Scorpio's about. See what new games and stuff's coming out. I know there's a lot of new games for PlayStation. Microsoft, not so much. They just got a new console coming out this holiday season.
I'm hearing that they're not making the PS5 like E3, but they're still doing the PS Pro. Yeah, and Xbox Scorpio is going to be a little bit more advanced than PlayStation.
Well, I think if they do PS5, it won't come out until
I don't know, and I don't care.
it'll either come out in 2020 or 19. I think it's going to come out this year. Yeah, they'll probably announce it in 2018 and it won't come out until 2019. Yeah.
What do you think of the new Kingdom Hearts game coming out for it, Larry?
Sounds cool.
I guess I have a reason to save up for a PS5 now.
I haven't experienced the PS4 Pro yet, but the PS5, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that because it's been a lot. Plus, it's probably
You got a good price, huh?
yeah. But I heard they're lower the price. That's what I heard from the YouTube. Yeah.
I'd get a Pro if they had any Pro exclusives, man. I mean, they have all the extra power now, but it's not going to be used if they're still supporting the original PlayStation. I think might be okay if they made like PS Pro exclusives.
What's your take on the Scorpio, Larry? Is it gonna be another paperweight?
Probably if they don't have any games for it.
That sucks. What do you think for it, Butch?
Well, if they fail to deliver to Xbox then like Microsoft, then they might be disappointed. But they say they have like lots of gigabytes and lot of softwares they put on, and
Of course, you know it could be the most powerful console in the world, but if they don't have games that utilize all that extra power, what's the point? It's
yeah,
just like a paperweight.
that's probably true.
Yep.
Basically, it's just like a giant sized paperweight.
Yep.
Like the Xbox One or the Xbox 360.
And Microsoft ain't got any games coming out, man. Because I think Sony is marketing almost every single game that usually winds up on Xbox.
Yeah.
And Sony's on fire right now. They want to keep the lead.
Like,
Looks like I need another top.
And another thing, I don't think Sony's too upset about Scorpio coming out next year. Who cares if it does? If they don't get some of these new games, it's just going to be a paperweight.
yeah.
So I don't know. Microsoft right now is looking kind of phony baloney.
I'm not like saying I'm against Microsoft because I have a Microsoft tablet, and then and I play some couple of PC games on it, and so far, well, there's a couple of games that kind of like also rip off on, not like rip off, but I play Xmerx, and it's almost like XCOM strategy game.
I guess if you buy games for it, like the system, you can play them on your computer. Also,
I think this is your food.
BLT!
Yay!
Food.
You want more water, you guys? I'll bring a pitcher out for you, okay?
Okay.
What was it?
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
And he wants more tea.
Oh, well, fries.
I had last night, yes,
Yeah, but sometimes I kind of go a little bit over the calories.
Really?
Yep.
you want to tell you the truth, they're eating, I ate my weight in hamburgers yesterday.
How are you even moving? You ate your weight in hamburgers. Your hamburger work?
Hey, Clay wants a tea, man. He wants the top off.
And actually, I don't think Sony is even concerned about Scorpio. They got so many games coming out this year.
No wonder why you guys were glowing. My camera was dirty. Yeah.
I guess
Oh,
Scorpio's
God.
not going to have a very big food
Hey, ma'am.
Oh,
My
yeah.
friend over here in the blue t-shirt.
I'm not sure what kind of extra they're gonna do.
Better do something or else they're going to lose what few customers they have on Microsoft.
Yeah.
Should have been a weird year with the PS4 and the Xbox Scorpio. I mean, it's not every year. Every time a new system comes out, it's usually a new system, like PS4.
I'll get you your tea, Clay. Hold on a second.
But these refreshers, I don't know. They can refresh the system, but
Oh, hold on my phone there.
they would have to. Support that system. I don't know. Microsoft better show something. Because right now Sony's kicking their butt. And so is Nintendo.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry.
Both Nintendo and
I'm
Sony
kinda
are
a little
kicking their butt.
terrified.
Really? Xbox One is
Yeah.
dead last now.
Yeah, I'm just a little bit nervous. I just put like a calm Symphony like since put help me calm and that.
Can I get like some toast?
Maybe.
Want to show your toaster picture?
Cheers.
Sure, it's kind of cool for
I'll get some
Nintendo.
2 pieces of toast.
Sony's in first place and Nintendo's in second place right now.
Are you recording your like you or?
It's on you now since I had a shaky out my phone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, how are ya?
yeah.
Hello there.
Doing good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Can I get like a toast?
We probably should wrap this video up.
Like toast?
Like and subscribe
Toast.
Yeah.
and leave us your opinions and stuff.
Yeah. I will
This is Crazy
upload-
Larry Lexington and
Crazy Magic Podcast.
yep
And Butch Cassidy.
and
Or not like don't people call me something like that, but I mean, but you can call me Butch if you like.
oh Larry don't get to feel me. I like Butch. Hey, there's my brother, Crazy Clarence Lexington.
CCL.
Like and subscribe.
Chris, what kind of
All right, bye.
toast would you like?